Brother Thomas, did you walk away from Jesus, wondering if it was all a dream? Did all your doubts creep back and tell you that your fingers hadn't ever touched a single thing? 'Cause I've read that story so many times, when you healed that man and he could see perfectly again. But in between it reads that all he saw were ministries, and that's all that seems to cloud my vision. 'Cause all the friends I have never, ever met you. Does that mean that they deserve to die? But I heard once you came here, his love for all of us, not to pull the wood from out of our eyes. My mother, she was always working in the yard, growing life from your sun and from her dirt. So I would read those words, but nothing ever seemed to grow except my lonely brother's hurt. Oh, holy preacher, did you ever think that maybe there is more to life than dying in a pew? Isn't this whole world just hell enough for all of us? Do you have to murder them for all the things they do? 'Cause all the friends I know have never, ever heard you speak, and I know that when you speak it brings up life. So would you pretty please come speak to all of them and me, growing us collectively into your wife? So lead me to the mountain, write it out on those stone tablets, what it is that you decide's the truth. But I think I want my hands to bleed from loving, not from condemning. Yeah, isn't love what he would have us do? 'Cause all my friends and I, yeah, we have stolen, we have lied, and we have looked upon each other full of lust. But you carried your cross when it seemed like I was lost, so I know that you can carry all of us. Yeah, you carried your cross when you knew that I was lost, so I hope that you could carry all of us.
I'm sorry for the things I said. I never meant to break you the way you broke. In the distance over bridges, I hear you calling out through the smoke. And I hold my breath while you choke. I watched the cars crash in slow motion, didn't look away. Should have seen what was coming, you stopped running, but all I know is the chase. I never learned how The truth is, I'm no good for you. You probably know it by now, but in case you don't, or you maybe forgot, give me one more chance and I'll let you down. And I hope that you find somebody to love. It's what you deserve. Someone to adore you more than you know, and you know I'm not her. All I can promise is the worst. The truth is, I'm no good for you. You probably know it by now, but in case you don't, or you maybe forgot, give me one more chance and I'll let you down. And I remember you drunk and crying the time you told me it felt like dying, 'cause you knew that we had only been lying to ourselves. The truth is, I'm no good for you, and you should know it by now, in case you